In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw on a PowerPoint presentation in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to add some personal touches to your slides or aiming to illustrate concepts more visually, knowing how to draw directly on your PowerPoint slides can be a game changer. So grab your digital pen or simply use your mouse and let's dive into the simple steps to unleash your creativity on PowerPoint. First things first, we'll need to get ourselves situated with the presentation we plan to embellish with our drawings. If you haven't already, locate the PowerPoint file you wish to work on. This file might be something you've previously worked on or a new one you've just created for this purpose. Once you've identified the right file, let's move on to the next step. Now that our file is all picked out, the next step is to open up Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. This might seem like a no-brainer, but it's a crucial step. If you're not sure how to open PowerPoint, you can usually find it by searching for it in the Start menu on a Windows PC or in the Applications folder if you're using a Mac. With PowerPoint open and ready to go, you're going to navigate to the Insert tab located at the top of your screen. The Insert tab is your gateway to adding all sorts of content into your slides, from images and charts to, of course, shapes, which is what we'll be focusing on today. So make sure you've clicked on Insert to unveil the wealth of options available to you. Next, within the Insert menu, you'll want to locate and click on the Shapes button. Clicking on Shapes will reveal a drop-down menu filled with various shapes and lines that you can add to your slides. These include rectangles, circles, arrows, and more. But for the purpose of drawing freely, we're interested in a particular option that's a little more freeform. Within the Shapes drop-down, look for the option labelled Scribble. The Scribble tool is essentially your digital pencil that allows you to draw anything your heart desires directly onto the slide. It's not constrained by any predefined shape, which means the only limit is your imagination and perhaps your drawing skills. Go ahead and select Scribble to move on to the artistic part. Now this is where the real fun begins. With the Scribble tool selected, you can start drawing in your PowerPoint presentation. Click and hold down your mouse button, or press down with your digital pen if you have one, and begin drawing on your slide. You can create simple drawings, underline or circle key points, or even add complex diagrams directly on your PowerPoint slide. The canvas is yours to play with. As you draw, you might find that you want to adjust your drawing. Whether it's tweaking the colour, thickness of your lines, or undoing a mistake, don't be afraid to experiment. PowerPoint provides a variety of drawing tools and options that let you customize your drawings to fit perfectly with the rest of your slide's design. And there you have it. Drawing on a PowerPoint slide is as simple as that. With just a few clicks, you've added a personal touch or visual aid directly on your slide that can help make your presentation more engaging and memorable. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to play around with the drawing tools in PowerPoint to get comfortable with them. With each presentation, you'll find new ways to utilize these tools to enhance your message and captivate your audience. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to draw on a PowerPoint presentation. Whether you're annotating slides for a class, adding diagrams to a business presentation, or just getting creative, the skills you've learned today will surely come in handy. Keep practicing and don't be afraid to let your creativity shine through in your next PowerPoint presentation.